Today I'm going to be doing notoriety stealth speedrun without lockpicking the safe, full sweep on nightmare, full stealth. Let's get it. And now you want to lead this guy over here. Hello there. Gonna want to answer his pager and also back this guy up. And now, as to, like, you know, not make the pager guy suspicious, we're gonna go in and then we're gonna make both the roaming guards in these rooms. We're gonna make them enforcers, like so. You just go up to them with Halt on East, it's a perk, and then you just will, like, you know, spam F to pay respects. Not to mention, it's also quite useful to have the guy out there, you know, hostage, so that, like, you know, because everyone's gonna be seeing you. That's when you start to get everyone on the floor, so that his pager doesn't run out while you're doing some other stuff. Just like that. And set up your drills and start looting. Both your drills, actually. And you can take some more hostages in the meantime, like this fine chap. You can move him along over here. And just take care of the drill jamming, wait for both the vaults to open, loot a bit, and see ya.